Hi friends, this video shows how to reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, tap here, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings, tap here. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data or internet and Bluetooth. So if you are facing issue with the mobile data or internet, you can just reset it. Tap on this reset settings button, then again tap on this reset button. See network settings reset, done. This is safe. It won't delete any data. It won't delete your videos or images. Okay, it's safe. This way we can reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.